Hello and welcome to a My Mini Maths video tutorial where we are going to be looking at multiplying by 1, 0 and dividing by 1. This video can also be used in support and to give help for the arithmetic target question 4. So let us have a look at those three types of questions one at a time. So if I split my screen into 3. Now, the first one. I'm going to multiply by 1. So this is the same as saying one lot of something. So if I take the number 325 and I multiply it by 1, it's exactly the same as if we flip it round and say one lot of 325. And that's why we always end up with the same original value. Okay, so it's like saying I've got one box with 325 marbles in it. How many marbles do I have altogether? Well, I have 325. And on to the next calculation, which is multiplying by 0. So this is like saying if I have 325 empty bags of marbles, I'm not going to have any marbles. So it's the same as saying if I flip it round, it's the same as me saying I've got 0 lots of 325, and that's why I'll always end up with an empty value. There's nothing there, so it's 0. And the third and final calculation is when we are dividing by 1. Okay, so remember, the first thing to remember is dividing is the same as sharing. Okay, so if I have my 325 marbles again in a box, and I'm going to share those, divide those between one person, that person will get all 325 marbles, and that's why we are left with the same original value. Okay, so it's like having 325 marbles and sharing it between one box. Okay, so all of the marbles will go into the box to give us the 325. And one last thing, don't forget, division can also be written as a fraction. So 325 over 1, and it's exactly the same calculation. 325 shared between one person or one box will give you the original 325 marbles. So that's everything for today. Thank you very much for watching My Mini Maths video tutorial. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel for all the latest videos and updates, and I'll speak to you again soon. Take care.